Hi friends, welcome to another video. My name is Nikki and today I'm going to show you how you can easily paint the simple mystical watercolor forest. So let's jump right in. I'm using 100% cotton paper from Hanemühle, a dish palette to mix my colors, 2 glasses of clean water and a simple no-name round brush, I think it's size 8, and my Schminke watercolor set. And as always, I have a paper towel to hand to drip off my brush. I have already some dark blue paint on my palette. You can pick any kind of blue paint you like for this painting. I use a mix of indigo, cyan and Prussian blue. Then I take a pencil and sketch out a square first, so I have some guidelines. I leave some white area to the bottom because I want to blend the color towards the bottom later a bit. I fix everything with some washi tape and start to wet the square that I sketched out. Then I apply the color. I start at the top and blend it out towards the bottom. Therefore, I clean my brush and dry it a bit on my paper towel. I want it to be nice and dark at the top, so I repeat this step a few times. In review, I think I painted the area at the top a little too light, because as you see later, the watercolor dries lighter, but that's okay. As next step, I add some blurry trees to the background of the painting as long as the paper is still wet. I use the same blue paint as I did for the background. Then I use my heat gun to make everything dry faster. I take my pencil again to draw in some small hills at the bottom. This time I take a blue that is much darker than the blue that I used for the background. So I add much more indigo to my mixture. And then I paint in the hills. I clean my brush and start blending everything a bit towards the bottom. Time to paint the trees that are standing in the front of our painting. I paint some of them a bit taller, but also a few smaller ones. Make sure that you can still see the trees that you've painted in the background. As the tree starts drying, I add some more dark paint to some areas to create depth and dimension. Then I add some splatters of white watercolors to add some stars to the painting. If you have, you can also use white gouache because it's more opaque. I also add a few birds to the background and some more stars here and there. And then the mystical forest painting is finished. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss any of my weekly videos. Have a nice day, see you in the next video, bye bye!